Unlock a floodgate of new readers by seamlessly connecting your personal website to your Inkitt author profile. First, log into your Inkitt author account and navigate to your profile page. You're looking for the section where you can edit your bio or About Me. This is where we'll begin to establish that crucial link. Once you're in the editing mode, you'll see fields for your biography scroll down within this section, and you should find a dedicated space to add external links or a website URL. In this field, carefully type or paste the full URL of your personal website or blog. Make sure it's the correct address so readers can find you. Easily double-check for any typos. After entering your website URL, be sure to hit the Save button on Inkitt. This is usually a prominent Save or Update profile button. This action makes your website link live on your Inkitt profile. Now, let's go the other way. Head over to your website or blog. Think of this as your central hub for all things author-related. When you create a new blog post, or perhaps an About the Author page, you'll want to promote your Inkitt presence. Add a compelling call to action, like read my new fantasy novel or discover my sci-fi adventures. Select the text you want to make clickable, and then use your website's link insertion tool. Paste your Inkitt author profile URL here. This allows readers on your website to jump directly to your Inkitt page. By actively cross-promoting, you're guiding interested readers directly to your Inkitt stories, expanding your reach and building a more engaged readership across both platforms. Remember to use relevant hashtags on social media to further amplify your Inkitt stories and website content.